What's going on, everybody? Dylan here with Espresso Outlet, and today I am going to be sharing a really awesome recipe with you right around the holiday season, and this is going to be a hot cocoa espresso. So if you're one of those people who love espresso but just don't really love the acidity that some coffees bring, try this recipe out. I promise you it's delicious. So we are going to actually start with your choice of coffee. We're gonna dose out 15 grams. Now I do recommend that you go a little bit finer than normal just because we are using only 15 grams. Normally I use about 18, so we have 1-to-2 ratio. So it's 18, 36 out. We're actually only using 15, so make sure to grind a little finer. Then you're gonna use 9 grams of your choice of cocoa powder. I'm actually using this brand called Silly Cow. I have to recommend this thing because if you haven't tried Silly Cow, it is one of my absolute favorites. It's super smooth and very creamy and rich. Next, you're gonna wanna get some kind of scale. So the scale that I am using today is actually a scale by Turin. It's a very nice, small, form-fitting scale, and it actually goes right into your drip trays, really nice and easy. It doesn't stick out, and it's very easy to use. Then you're gonna wanna get some kind of scoop. This is just so you can scoop out the right amount of coffee, making it a little bit easier than just dumping it into a cup from this glass. Next, you're gonna wanna use some kind of filtered paper, and you're just gonna wanna use this because you don't want any of those really fine particle pieces of the hot chocolate to go into your group head. So I like to use these just so it makes the group head a little bit cleaner, and it's just better for extraction. However, you are gonna wanna grind even finer using these because it does make your extraction a little bit quicker. Then you're gonna have just your normal puck prep, so you're gonna want a distribution tool and a tamper at the minimum, and then you can use WDT, or you can use a funnel to funnel everything into your portafilter, making it nice and easy with little to no mess. You're gonna need an espresso grinder, which I use the DF64V off camera. And then you're gonna wanna have an espresso machine, which here we have the Turin Legato. So come along with us as we brew this amazing seasonal drink right around Christmas time that's gonna leave you with a cheerful smile. And you can also make this into a latte. So let's go ahead and get started.